Now see, in the first video we have seen all the formulas of current electricity. Now in the second video we will start with the numerical problems. So in the first numerical problem, it is given that a storage battery of a car has an EMF of 12 volt if the internal resistance of the battery is 0.4 ohm. What is the maximum current that can be drawn from the battery? So what is given here? EMF is given to you, E is equal to 12 volt. Internal resistance R is given to you, 0.4 ohm, and they are asking the current. But what current they are asking? Maximum current. So now we have to understand that in the theory we have seen that maximum current will be there in the circuit when capital R is equal to 0. We know the formula. Battery case is there. I is equal to E divided by R plus R. In this case, substitute the values. Substitute the value of E. Substitute the value of R. Substitute the value of small r. Small r is the internal resistance. Substituting this value, 12 divided by 0.4. So if we simplify, so it will become 12 into 10 divided by 4. So multiplying this, 4 3s are 12, 3 10s are 30. So current is there. So unit of current is what? Ampere. So how much amount of current is flowing into this? 30 ampere. So now here in this particular problem, what we have understood is this current in this particular problem, storage battery is given. Since battery is given to you, so battery के केस में हमने फॉर्मूला देखा है I is equal to E divided by R plus R. And one more thing, here external resistance is 0. Why we have taken external resistance 0? Because the current condition is given, what is the maximum current that can be drawn from the battery. So maximum current will be there when R is 0. So capital R is equal to 0 is substituted. So we'll get, substituting the value, we'll get current is equal to 30 ampere. So this is the first problem. Current is there, therefore it is unit is ampere. Clear? Okay. So in the second problem, a negligible small current is passed through a wire of length 15 meter and uniform cross section 6.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter square, and its resistance is measured to 5 ohm. What is the resistivity of the material at the temperature of the experiment? Now you see, in this particular problem they are asking a negligible small current is passed through the wire of length. L is given to you 15 meter. So you write L is equal to 15 meter. Area of cross section A is given to you 6.0 into 10 to the power of minus 1 meter square. And further they are asking that resistance is 5 ohm. Okay. But now in this particular question they are asking the resistivity. Rho is what? So for the resistivity, we are having the formula. We know R is equal to rho L by A, where R is the resistance, rho is the resistivity, L is the length, and A is the area of cross section. But we have to calculate what? Resistivity. So resistivity rho is equal to what? By cross multiplying RA by L. So rho is becoming RA by divided by L. So what is R? Substitute the value of R. What is A? 6 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay. Then what is L? 15. Now one thing you have to observe here, all these parameters are in the same SI unit. Since all the parameters are in the SI unit, you need not have to bother about. But if suppose the parameters are not in the same unit, one is SI and then another is CGS, so every parameters has to be converted into SI unit only. So this thing you have to understand properly. So now substituting this value, so 5 into 6 divided by 15. So 5 6 are 30, 30 divided by 15 means 2. Directly we can do 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 ohm meter. So this is the ohm meter is the unit of resistivity. So here in this particular question they have asked about the resistivity. So because of that, what was the given? We have we have substituted that, and after substituting rho is equal to RE by L, we have calculated, and lastly we have to write the unit also. So this completes your second question. Now we take the third question. So what is the third question? Third question says that the resistance of the platinum wire of platinum resistance thermometer at ice point. Here you have to understand ice point. Ice point means what? 0 degrees Celsius. Ice point is 5 ohm. And at steam point is 5.23 ohm. Now steam point means when the steam will be made, when we boil the water to 100 degrees centigrade. So steam point is what? 100 degrees Celsius. So resistance, what is given? The steam point is 5.23 ohm. When the thermometer is inserted in a hot bath, the resistance of the platinum wire is 5.795 ohm. Calculate the temperature of the bath. We have to calculate the temperature here. Now here in this particular problem, what is given here? R0 is given to you first. What is R0? R0 is the resistance at 0 degree centigrade. So what is the resistance? 5 ohm. Resistance at 100 degree centigrade is how much? 5.23 ohm. Steam point. And temperature RT is given to you 5.795. RT is given to you what? 5.795 ohm. RT means what? Resistance at the temperature T. So in the first two values which are given, R0 and R100. R0 indicates resistance at 0 degree centigrade. R100 indicates resistance at 100 degree centigrade. And RT indicates what? Resistance at temperature T. We have to calculate the value of the temperature. We know the formula. T is equal to RT minus R0 divided by R100 minus R0 into 100. This is the formula. RT minus R0 divided by R100 minus R0 into 100. So substituting the value of RT in this part, 5.795 minus R0 is what? 5. R100 is 5.23 minus of 5 into 100. So if you subtract 5.795 minus 5 is 0.795. 5.23 minus 5 is 0.23 into 100. So simplifying this, T is equal to how much you will get? 3.456 into 100. So if you multiply this by 100, so it will become 345.6 degrees Celsius. 45 point, it will be 345.6